Hello, my name is Melody, and I'm a second-year student at the Institut Paul Bocuse. Today, we are joined by Cécile Teyssier, Beauty and Image Specialist. As you are now joining the Institut Paul Bocuse family, the hotel and restaurant industry, your image is crucial. And as such, we've asked Cécile to teach you guys 3 quick and easy hairstyles.
Hello Melody, hello everyone. Don't worry, you will understand everything, and with a little bit of practice, this technique will be done automatically. Your colleague Marie will show you everything step by step how to do it. First hairstyle. Cheek ponytail. Brush your hair, separate your hair in 2 parts with a horizontal parting. Hairspray and brush until no more frizz. Make a half tail with the upper part. Make a half tail with the lower part. Tie to 2 parts together. Take a lock of hair and wrap it around the elastic, secure with a small flat clip. Et voilà! Let's move on to the next hairstyle, the bun. Start by making a ponytail. Take all the hair, straighten it well. Pay attention to the height of the ponytail. From the front, it's better if the bun doesn't go beyond the top of the head. Take the whole ponytail and twist your hair. Twist the hair around the elastic and fix the bun either with the invisible elastic of the color of your hair or with pins all around the bun. There you go! Third hairstyle, the low tail. Brush the hair, lacquer brush, make a line with the elastic band. Do not tighten too much. Take the elastic band down a little. Split the hair in half above the elastic. Put your tail back in the hole, inward. Tighten the elastic band.
Thank you so much, Cécile. As you guys see, it's not so complicated, but don't worry because you can go back to our channel, Campus TV, and rewatch it as many times as you need. Don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you everybody. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.